Hello, friends and family. I'm here to share with you Landlord Math 101. I am a property owner, small landlord, been doing this for like 18 years. And the things I see going on now are so sad. I was speaking with a friend the other day and I just felt the need to do this video. They were sharing with me that their cousin's rent was $1,100. At renewal, they came and said they were going up to $1,600. This is insane. It is so sad that we feel the need to do this in this society with everything that's going on right now. Um, I, I just wanted to break down the sheer facts of how this is gonna drive us straight into another recession. And as a tenant, examine yourself also. I'm not saying all tenants are good tenants, but if you at the very least pay your rent on time once all for at least the last 12 months, or even if you're late, you let them know you're going to be late, you pay the late fee and you're paying before the 30 days is up, and you're maintaining the home decently and not causing a lot of problems in the neighborhood. Please share this with your landlord. It may save you. I mean, everybody needs to examine the situation and see what's going on. So please share this with your landlord, share it on your Facebook, share this information because somebody needs to hear this. I'm hearing it too often, so I know somebody needs to hear this. So basically, yeah, I can understand increasing the rent. I know taxes are going up. I know insurance is going up. I know that it's maybe going up $500 or $600 a year for insurance, $500 or $600 a year for taxes. That's 1,200. Yeah, your tenant can absorb that. So that's $100 a month increase on average. So not five. $500 a month is straight greed. So when you force that tenant out for $500 a month and they go back and live with mother, you're going to have 30 to 60 days that you're getting that house back in order for rent for the next tenant. Nobody's going to pay top dollar for a home with somebody else's funk on it. It needs to be clean. The carpet needs to be clean because when you find that desperate tenant that's able to take it as it is, 9 times out of 10, they're going to be a scammer providing fake pay stubs, fake um, references, things of that nature. So if you just raise your current tenant, the person you know, the persons that's been paying you for the 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, however long they've been with you. If you just do $100 increase in good faith and common decency, you're looking at 14,400 over the next 12 months. No vacancies, no threat of vandalism, no threat of squatters, because that's starting to happen again. And no gap time. However, if you raise that rent $500 and you may even find a good tenant at the $1,600 a month that pays on time, you still lost 2 months. If you're dealing with a management company, they took the other a third month or 2/3 of the first month on under the management contract. So you've lost up to 3 months. So you're really only dealing with 9 to 10 months of income. And as you can see, you're making less than raising it the $100. So it's just I know we got a new batch of people out here trying to be a landlord, watched the video, saw a YouTube channel and said, "Oh, I'm going to buy property and be a landlord and make a ton of money." But it's a decency that comes with it because greed will have you falling flat on your face. So, this is the math. The math is the math. There's no way around the math. So it does not make sense for you to go for more money when you actually have a good tenant already. So on to the next slide. If you get a bad tenant, this is where you just pretty much throw in the towel and you're not prepared for this and you lose the whole house. and we're back in the recession and it's going up for short sale or it's going up for foreclosure and your credit's messed up for the next 2 to 7 years or however long. So with the missing rent for 2 to 3 months, fake references, you might get 3 months of actual payments, and the moratorium on evictions, 3 to 6 months of getting them out. Because in Florida, for sure, the judges are saying if they've applied for rental assistance, you gotta wait, and they're just sitting there rent free all this time while you're waiting. So karma will get you every time, and you gotta really examine what you're doing and ask yourself why you're doing it. Ask yourself, do you need to risk the whole situation just for a few $100s a month? Or are you in a position to work with the tenants you have and let the house keep paying for itself? Because landlording is a long-term investment. It is not a short-term get paid, get rich quick at all. And whoever presents it that way is lying. So do not fall for the hype. Do not get caught up in the greed, because one by one, everyone will drive us into a recession. So greed is beyond sinful today. I mean, it is just outrageous right now. And with everything else going on, we really need to examine ourselves. And I'm not saying all the tenants are good at all. I promise you they are not. I have had some in my days that have been awful, and I understand that. So yeah, there you justified, and the tenants know who they are, and they know when they don't have a leg to stand on, I would think. But I mean, tenants, learn how to be a good one, because you could have set yourself up for this situation. But I'm also pleading to the landlord. So if you know you are a tenant that falls into that good category, share this with the landlord. It may save you. It may, even if you negotiate it from 500 to 200 or 250 and can afford to stay at that rate, then try it. Send this video. If they have a management company, try to reach out, do your research, try to reach out to the actual landlord. And it may be a part two to this about the management company, because when you do those numbers and really look at those numbers, you see if the management company is talking them into, let's get rid of this tenant and get a new one because you can get $500 more. You are, and the person may not even be thinking about the true mathematics of that, and they're losing. So go ahead, take a look at this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps someone. It just laid on my heart to present this because I hope it helps someone to stay indoors, keep their family indoors. If they are good people, they deserve some kind of help, some kind of consideration for doing the right thing. So please share this video everywhere you can, because it may help someone. I do thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, because if I do come up with a part two, that one will help someone also. So I do thank you again for watching. You have a wonderful day and good luck to you all.